Okay, what we have is damaged tape. It's damaged, and the material you need is a super sharp blade, brand new blade, alcohol, and this is bought from the air conditioning system in Home Depot here in the United States. Silver tape is for installation on air conditioning HVAC. To get this off, you simply put a blade on it like this, and it comes off. Okay? Once you got that done, we're going to rub alcohol right here, clean it with alcohol. We're going to put this tape on. To get the item out, to get this dryer out, you need to get this out. Okay? This needs to go out, and that should take care of it. To get this out, you simply pull it out, tilt it, and whatever else we got down there. Anyway, it's out. Okay, you put a very sharp blade right here, and you pull this out. This area needs to be free of dirt and oil. And because this is a refrigerator and there's a lot of cooking oil involved, I guarantee you there's oil. So clean underneath and top areas that the tape gonna go. I'm gonna see if I can get this glue off. Okay. We're gonna get the alcohol. Alrighty. Here's your tape. You peel it off. This came from this. We're going to use the white line as a reference. It's like putting the blue tape, painting tape. You don't need to be perfect. Nobody's going to notice your mistakes probably. Anyway, I use a back of a scissor to get the rubber part of it. To get the creases out. I don't know if the creases are showing or not. Air bubbles out. And the excess is going to go underneath. So we're going to cut right here. We're going to cut right there. There you go. We fold it and shove the excess underneath. we're pretty much done. Okay. It's not perfect. It's not perfect, but a lot better than what it was, I think. You can do it a couple of times to get learn how to get the creases out. I got some creases, that's what I'm saying. It's not perfect. But it's about here. The creases are getting out. Anybody that has worked with model airplanes knows what I'm doing, or model building. I learned this technique in a model airplane. So anyway, good day, and everybody knows how this piece goes back together, I guess. Okay, ultimately, this hole right there will go in there, and these bars need to be out. Don't let them go. Don't let them go in. Keep them out, and have that little tip go in there, right here. So the way we're going to do it is we're going to go. I don't know if you can see it. Nobody's helping me. We're gonna have the drawer like this, in an angle, and pushed out till we get to that crease. At that moment, I'm gonna use my hand and grab that bar, make sure it doesn't go in, and I will lift the tray and push the tray forward, but I won't let the slider go in. So I'm holding the bar both sides, lifting I want to use my tummy to use my leg maybe to get the tray go forward, but not the sliders. So they're not in those holes yet. I didn't hear the click. Let me see if I can do it. If somebody could help you, that'd be nice, but most likely you don't have help like me. So I'm not letting the sliders go. Oh God. Okay. Very frustrating, but you can get it done. You can get it done. Go underneath. You can go underneath, and if you don't know what you're doing, make sure to see how close you are to put that slider in there. See, it's going in, but not perfectly, so we're not done. Oh, okay. At that moment, when I was over here, when I was in this position, I grabbed the bars, sliders, and pulled them out, and managed to get them all the way out. Now it's moving in and out. So maybe you need to go halfway and pull this out. Look from underneath. Bottom line, the sliders, don't let them go in, probably, but slide this forward without the sliders going in, and eventually there is that little hook that goes in that hole. I showed it to you. Good luck. Tonight I did this same method. I did this one, I did this one, and we did this one on a video. The other one I couldn't find my video. So anyway, good day.